how to apply a color filter in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then swipe across and tap on the filter button. In here, you can swipe across and select a different color filter. And here are some built-in color filter. So we have original, breeze, pulse, crystal, shiver, chill, glow. And then you got amber, sunbeam, shadow, and shade. Now if you want any other color filter, you can tap on the download button to download more color filters. Okay, so you can go down the list here and download other color filters as well. Tap on the download button to download it. And up here, once you select a color filter, so here's sunbeam. At the top here, you can also choose how much strength to apply. So we've got low strength, medium strength, or mid strength, and then you got high strength. You can also adjust the, so here, you can also adjust the color temperature to make it warmer or cooler. You can change the contrast. So you can change the contrast. You can change the saturation and the film grain. Yeah, so we can make it really grainy. And here, if you look at the pictures, it looks quite grainy. And don't forget to change that back to normal so that when you take a picture, it does not shows too much grain. And that's it. So that is how you can change or apply a color filter in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.